Don't ignore these 8 early signs of prostate cancer. It could save your life. Every year, thousands of men unknowingly carry a ticking time bomb in their bodies, prostate cancer, that remains undetected until it's too late. Did you know that prostate cancer affects 1 in 8 men? What if recognizing just a few subtle symptoms could make the difference between life and death? According to the American Cancer Society, over 288,000 new cases of prostate cancer will be diagnosed this year alone. Even more alarming, around 34,700 men will lose their lives to this disease. But here's the critical insight: when caught early, prostate cancer has a remarkable 98% survival rate. Yet many men dismiss the warning signs, thinking, "I'm too young," or "I'm healthy, it won't happen to me." These dangerous assumptions lead countless men to overlook critical symptoms. While age is a factor, other risks like family history, lifestyle, ethnicity, and even diet play significant roles in prostate cancer. In the next few minutes, we'll explore 8 symptoms every man, regardless of age or health, should know. This isn't just information, it could be the most important health lesson you'll ever learn. 1. Frequent urination and nocturia. Your bathroom habits might be more than a minor inconvenience, they could be an early warning sign. Frequent urination isn't always due to drinking too much water or having a small bladder. Changes in urination patterns could indicate issues with your prostate. Normal bathroom visits typically occur every 3 to 4 hours during the day. However, if prostate cancer is developing, you might find yourself heading to the restroom more often. Nocturia, waking up multiple times at night to urinate, is another sign. While aging or other conditions can cause these symptoms, persistent disruptions should prompt medical attention. 2. Painful ejaculation. This sensitive topic is one many men avoid, but painful ejaculation is a symptom worth noting. It could signal changes in your prostate. Pain may manifest as sharp sensations in the penis, a throbbing feeling in the testes, or a deep ache in the lower abdomen or rectum. These aren't random discomforts but potential indicators of underlying issues that require medical evaluation. 3. Blood in urine or semen. Seeing blood in urine or semen is never normal. This alarming sign could be caused by a tumor pressing on blood vessels in the prostate, leading to microscopic tears or vascular damage. While these symptoms might also indicate less severe conditions like infections, they should never be ignored. Immediate medical consultation is essential. 4. Pain while sitting. Sitting shouldn't be painful, but prostate enlargement or cancer can create pressure in the pelvic region, leading to discomfort. This pain can range from a dull ache to sharp sensations in the lower back, pelvis, or hips. Such discomfort, especially if persistent, is a red flag worth investigating. 5. Pain in the back, hips, or chest. When prostate cancer spreads, it often targets the bones. This process, known as bone metastasis, can cause deep, persistent pain in the back, hips, ribs, or chest. These aren't typical muscle aches, they're signs of advanced cancer that require immediate attention. 6. Swelling in the legs or feet. Swelling in the lower body might not seem serious, but it could signal that cancer has spread to the lymphatic system. When lymph nodes are blocked, fluid builds up, leading to visible swelling in the legs or feet. If this swelling persists, especially alongside other symptoms, it warrants further investigation. 7. Unintentional weight loss. Cancer alters the body's metabolism, leading to unintentional weight loss. This isn't about diet or exercise, it's a systemic signal that your body is expending energy to fight the disease. Fatigue often accompanies this weight loss, affecting physical, mental, and emotional health. Are you at risk? Several factors increase your likelihood of developing prostate cancer. Age, the risk rises after age 50. Race, Black men are at a higher risk and often face more aggressive forms of the disease. Family history, a family history of prostate or breast cancer, especially linked to BRCA1 or BRCA2 mutations, can elevate your risk. Obesity. Obesity is associated with more aggressive cancer and higher chances of recurrence. Take action. If you notice any of these symptoms or have risk factors, don't wait. Early detection saves lives. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable health insights. Check out the videos on your screen for additional information. Stay informed and take charge of your health.